In this video, we're going to talk about how you can access and analyze your analytics in your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Now, for that, you can just head over right here into your Seller Center on TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in. And once you're there, head over and click onto this analytics option that we can see on your left sidebar. Now, once we're in there, it should be able to open right here the Seller Center for the Compass or analytics that we have opened. So just wait for this to actually load. As you can see, they rename analytics to data compass, and you can see right here your shop analytics as well as your growth insights, video analytics, product card, product analytics, and the likes. So you can use this new feature named as data compass to actually see your business data, your sales, your traffic, and see how you can actually improve your shop more. So you can see right here the analytics, the sales sources, product cards, and the like. So if you can see that your sales source are typically from live, you can head over and then increase the frequency of your live. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.